What is going on everybody, Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the OnePlus 7 Pro against the Xiaomi Mi 8. So we have the Snapdragon 855 versus the Snapdragon 845, 6GB of RAM on both of these phones. The Mi 8 was one of the best budget flagships from last year. How will it do against the OnePlus 7 Pro? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the OnePlus 7 Pro. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 855 CPU and the Adreno 640 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 1080p AMOLED display. It's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie. It has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro wins by 8 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the OnePlus 7 Pro wins by 9 points. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the OnePlus 7 Pro won by 8 points. In round 2, the OnePlus 7 Pro won again, and that was by 9 points. As for the price difference, well, the OnePlus 7 Pro costs about twice the price of the Mi 8, and overall it's just a much better phone. It has a newer processor, a full screen display which is Quad HD and 90Hz, faster charging, stereo speakers, UFS 3, USB 3.1 and so on. The Mi 8 is still a very good phone. If you're on a budget, it may be worth considering, or you can wait for the Redmi K20 Pro. So what did you think of this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am planning to get the Asus ROG phone, the Redmi K20 Pro and the Nubia Red Magic 3. So there will be camera comparisons, speed tests and benchmarks. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.